Hello, brothers and sisters. I want again to welcome all of you to this other new lesson. Remember, in the last lesson, I said that from this lesson up to the next other 4 lessons, we are going to focus on advanced communication skills, of course, as used in sign language. In this lesson, I want us to focus on manual codes for spoken languages. And we say that when a deaf person or when a deaf community come together to interact with a hearing person, we have a signing system that is developed that of course use signs drawn from a natural sign language. But remember, this developed signs is used according to the grammar of that particular spoken language. So in particular, when people diverse one for one or sign for a word correspondences, of course, between spoken words and signs that represents them, the system that results in a manual code for a spoken language rather than a natural sign language. Such systems may of course be invented in an attempt to help to teach the deaf children the spoken of course language, and generally are not used outside an education context. So meaning to say that this manual code for spoken languages is specifically used within a classroom context, of course, as a method of teaching to ensure that those children with hearing impairment uh, are taught and acquire the spoken language just like any other person may acquire language. So remember, this technique of teaching is only limited within a classroom setup. So this is not used outside the classroom. So that's why we are saying it is an instructional method to help a deaf child to acquire a spoken language. See you in the next lesson.